Some precautions.
Ngwataniro ya ikundi cia kuhurana na ihoto cia umundu aria maroraga mirutire ya wira ya maabithaa na muingi moigite muthi wa SABA ni kwandikithirio ikuo nyingi ciumanite na maabithaa a borithi kuhuthira hinya mukiruku. Namba ya aria makuite kumana na nguraro cia rithathi ni 38 na wangi 500 magatigwo makihonia nguraro iria matungirio.
Among the dead are 4 women and 2 children. There are over 500 people facing charges across various courts, including Stare 125.
Ona kuri uguo ngwataniro ino ni yorotete ruhonge rwa borithi kumana na uhuthiri wa hinya mukiruku magitariria ona thengia wa rurungani gukorwo matethaite na matharaita ni matungirio minyamariko.
To uphold its constitutional role in protecting life, facilitate peaceful protests and hold officers accountable for unlawful killings and serious injuries.
Ngwataniro ino yendekithitie ruhonge rwa kunyabara mirutire ya wira ya maabithaa a borithi rukorwo rukihanyukia uthuthuria uria maratabania na maneane riboti niguo kihoto kiaria manyamaritio mari moko-ini ma borithi gikinyanirio.
Calling for an immediate waiver on all the medical bills, the post-mortem fees, and also the state to provide funeral support for all the family members of protesters that have died in the SABA rallies.
Oho ni mendekithitie munene wa borithi Douglas Kanja gutariria andu aria monekanire makinyamaria muingi kaunti-ini ya Kajiado methaite na mishinga na mari na ngari muthemba wa Subaru maria na mahuthagira watho kuma kuri u.
Under the National Police Service Act, police officers are required to clearly issue warnings to the crowd, to use less lethal methods like tear gas, to use only proportional force, and to report every use of a firearm to their superior and to the Independent Policing Oversight Authority.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.
Maybe I will.